In this video, I'll show you steps on how to use the Dynamic Threat Detection Agent, an always-on adaptive agent that uncovers hidden threats across Microsoft Defender and Microsoft Sentinel. Let's start with an overview of the agent. Security Copilot agents are concentrated in one of the 5 Microsoft SOC lifecycle pillars, each agent representing advancement in how analysts anticipate, detect, triage, and investigate threats. The Dynamic Threat Detection Agent is aligned with the Detect and Disrupt pillar. The agent addresses past challenges with traditional detection methods by continuously analyzing incidents and telemetry, searching for gaps in coverage, and correlating signals across the entire security stack. Key benefits include finding what traditional detection rules miss. The agent's adaptive AI-driven detection continuously investigates across Defender and Sentinel signals to uncover false negatives and blind spots, reducing noise and increasing analyst confidence. The agent minimizes the noise your SOC has to handle and boosts your team's confidence with its customer-validated precision and by providing clear risk context and concrete next steps in the alert details. Always on and no tuning or onboarding required. The agent runs in Defender, automatically generating alerts, and its deep integration across the Microsoft security ecosystem. The agent works with Security Copilot, Defender, and Microsoft Sentinel, correlating signals to surface missed behaviors and deliver richer context across your SOC workflows. Now, let's go through the steps of how the Dynamic Threat Detection Agent helps you detect threats. If you are a Security Copilot customer, then you can use this agent. Under the Investigation and Response blade, select Incidents and Alerts, and then select Incidents. When the agent generates an alert, the alert shows up in your Incidents and Alerts queues, with Security Copilot as the detection source. For your selected alert, the agent provides a summary of what happened and recommended actions for you to take underneath the incident graph. Empowering organizations to detect and respond to threats with greater speed, Microsoft's Security Copilot Dynamic Threat Detection Agent uses AI to identify gaps and uncover false negatives by correlating alerts, events, anomalies, and threat intelligence. To learn more about the Dynamic Threat Detection Agent, visit aka.ms/Security Copilot Adoption Hub. Microsoft Security.